welcome back to Pink K-Pop Academy and day 2 of the Baekhyun choreography. Now if you haven't done the first part, you should go and do that first, and you should always do your warm-up and your stretching before you start any of these videos, okay? But if you are ready to go, let's get right into it, okay? So yesterday we had finished a baboon around about here, okay? We've just swapped the weight over to the right foot, okay? So here we go, straight in. You're going to step the left foot forward, okay? And you're going to, as you step forward, you're going to bring that left arm out nice and long, and you're going to bring the right arm is going to be doing this kind of pulling circular thing, okay, where it's making a circle inwards. You can lift the shoulder and rotate it as well if you want. So we're pulling up, like I don't know if you guys would have ever seen these cars that don't have electric switches in them. It used to be like a little handle that you had to like wind up. It's that kind of like winding feeling going around. So you're back towards the body, that direction of circle, okay? So this is going to keep going the whole time, okay? And we're going to just go left, bring up the right foot, step the left foot back, bring up the left foot, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and there's a little bit of a bounce to it. I would say it's a little bit of a back bounce to it, just like our forward back, but we're just doing the back and we're doing it quite small, okay? 3, 4, back, 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 back. Yeah, try again. 3, 4, back, back. 1, 2. One more time. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we need that leg in the air because we're gonna step on it. So just step it straight back, okay? And you're gonna lift the chest up, and you're gonna take your right hand and swoop it over your right ear, okay? So here, this is a lift. With the lift, we're using our up shape, so our chest is up and our hips are up, okay? Just like our up-down shape. Whoop, that's the up. Okay, then we're gonna drop for a down, okay? Then we're gonna step it to the side and lift up again, okay? So we have up, down, up, okay? And then the next one's gonna be a little bit different. So up, down, flick the shoulder, okay? And then kick the left foot. So instead of going back down, we're just going to do a little kick, okay? So we have 3, 4, up, down, flick, kick. One more time. So we were here. 3, 4, up, down, flick, kick. Okay? And then what you're going to do is step that foot in next to the left, or next to the right one, okay? And you're gonna bounce the knees out, okay? So bounce the knees out. Boing and boing, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there'll be 4 of them. So we had kick and out, 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 out. And you could also just step straight into the first out and then bounce them from there, okay? So we had gone flick, kick, and out, 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 out. What are your hands going to be doing? Your hands are here. Kick. Your hands are going. Okay. You're going to use your elbows for this. So you're going to bring the left arm up first and the right arm down. Swap them over. Okay, so that's the first one. Flick, flick. Okay. Now you're going to bring your right hand over your head. Flick, flick. Okay, so nice strong elbow here. You'll be learning about this 90-degree elbow soon. For today, we're just going to bend the elbows. Just think about bending the elbows. So flick, right arm is down, left arm is up. Flick it. Okay, now bring the right arm over your head. Same idea though, flick it to the side and then flick it back out. Whoop, whoop. Flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. 3, 4. Flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. And we're going to do this with the knees. 3, 4. Flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. Okay, so we face the side. So we did this little kick, and flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it. Now you're also going to get your body to go a little bit from side to side. Not too much yet because you haven't learned about these yet. So I don't want you to make them too big in case you're not making the right shape. But just a little bit of, if it feels natural to lean a little bit, lean a little bit. If not, just focus on the hands. Okay, so we have that little kick, flick, kick. 3, 4, flick it, flick it, flick it. Flick it. Now I'm actually taking my feet off the ground there because that's muscle memory from something. You actually don't have to. If you want to, you can lift one foot off the ground as you go. So if you're doing that, it would be, you kicked with the left foot, so you'd lift the right, then the left, and the right, and the left, but you don't have to, it doesn't add anything to this dance, that's just a muscle memory that I have, okay? Some of them do it, some of them don't. All right, so back to this little kick, one more time, 3, 4, flick it, flick it, flick it, flick it, okay? Then you're gonna push the hands down, and you're gonna jump, and turn to the other side. Okay, here we go, 3, 4, push. Okay, so your hands go down first, and it's like Iron Man, it's like you're pushing off with the force of your hands. Okay, here we go, 3, 4, push, and. Okay, let's take it back to here and put all that together, yeah? So we were here from yesterday, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, and. Okay, now you're gonna push away. I can't go very far because there's a wall behind me, but you're gonna just give a little slide, okay, and look away and push both hands forward. 3, 4, push. 3, 4, push. Okay, now I can't go very far at all because I have to show you a foot move after this, and if I'm in the radiator, I can't do that. So I'm just going to come forward a little bit. 3, 4, push, and. Okay, we're going to do a step ball change, which we also learned recently, okay? So left foot is going to go behind, left, right, left. Okay, and you're going to push over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Okay, here we go. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I gotta give you some words here to make this fit properly, okay? So this is gonna be, tell me what you. Okay, so the second hand is gonna come up when the left foot steps, you. Okay, so we were here, foot, and push, and tell me what you. It's gonna be very fast. But then all we have to do is go, waiting for, or. So what you're going to do is just step a little bit, just a very tiny step, waiting for, or. You're just going to take these really tiny steps and just reach your hand out in front of you. So it's almost like running arms, but we're going flat with the hands instead. Waiting for, or. And you're going to drop it. So we're going right, nope, left, right, and then left, and just drop down. Okay, so we just put that together so you can see where it goes. We pushed, and tell me what you waiting for, or. So we had right, left, and then right foot, and just drop it down. Okay, and I think that's the whole chorus. All right, so let's just put all those things together nicely so we know what we're doing. So let's go back here. Okay. And I'll try and give you some music to help you work out where things are going to go. So let me just play the song in my head because I'm at the wrong part of the song right now, and that's not going to help you guys, is it? Pop, rock, strawberry, bubblegum, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Sorry. 3, 4. All I want is you, my love, candy, 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 candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what you waiting for, or. Okay, let's do that together again. Here we go. 3, 4. All I want is you, my love. Candy, 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 candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what you waiting for, or. Okay, we're gonna try it one more time and then we're gonna get the music, all right? Here we go. 3, 4. All I want is you, my love. Candy, 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 candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me what you waiting for, or. Well done, guys, you've got the whole choreography now, okay? So we're gonna get the music just like yesterday. We're only gonna do 60, 17, 80. Tomorrow we're gonna put it all together and go all the way for 100, okay? So, but for right now, that is enough. So let's get started with 60. 3, 4. Go again. That's it, give me one more. That's it, well done. Awesome, let's go again. Awesome, give me one more. Well done on learning today's half of the choreography. You are amazing. Now I've put the timestamps in the description box again so you can loop back whatever speed you need to as many times as you want to. And tomorrow we're going to put the whole thing together and speed ourselves all the way to 100. Okay? So well done on your hard work today, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Bye!